Energy is a vital material foundation for the survival and development of human society. The utilization of fossil energy has led to the industrial civilization, stimulating the development of human society. However, excessive exploitation of energy has also brought environmental pollution, haze, energy depletion, and other issues. This has roused people of vision in energy fields, thinking about how to maintain the sustainable development of human beings, which is a common topic globally. At present, every country is taking positive actions to push forward the new energy revolution.
Hello everyone, I'm Jax. Welcome to the live stream dedicated for Gree PV products. As a responsible global company, Gree is always concerned with solving problems for its users. We have invested heavily in the research and development of PV products, so as to provide a cleaner and energy-saving way for the world in the HVAC industry. For this reason, as early as 10 years ago, we have begun the development of photovoltaic direct-driven technology for full range of high-efficiency inverter air conditioners, from residential to commercial use. The whole series of photovoltaic direct-driven technology can basically meet the needs of air conditioning for all kinds of buildings. Gree created the world's first air conditioner that is free of electricity charges. It adopts PV direct-driven technology to combine the PV power generation and the air conditioning equipment, which is energy-saving, cost-saving, and eco-friendly. Now, let me explain to you why Gree PV air conditioner is so powerful. My presentation will be divided into 3 chapters. The Chapter 1, an overview of Gree PV direct-driven air conditioning system. The Chapter 2, the GAMS. The Chapter 3, the project cases of PV products. Let's start the Chapter 1. An overview of PV direct-driven air conditioning system. For an ordinary family, we have the PV split air conditioner and the PV free match to offer. Both of them adopt our unique 2-stage compression technology, and their indoor and outdoor units are all DC powered. They can maintain 100% cooling capacity even at 54 degrees Celsius. They can work under a wide voltage range from 160 watts to 265 watts and 50 or 60 hertz. They are highly adaptable to the environment. And we can remotely control the unit with Wi-Fi function and check the information in real time on an app. It is also built with an intelligent converter, so an ordinary family can also use solar energy for free. For public areas, we have PV-VRF, the PV rooftop package unit, and the PV centrifugal chillers. In addition, the PV modular units are under development. Under the strong technical support and reliable quality, they can provide the best cooling solutions for your occupants. In the year of 2013, Gree photovoltaic direct-driven inverter centrifugal chiller technology was regarded as the first in the world to combine the PV power generation and the power consumption of AC together. Compared with conventional PV solutions, Gree PV direct-driven air conditioning system can avoid 80% energy loss. As we can see from the screen, there are 3 times energy conversions in the conventional PV solutions, while in Gree photovoltaic direct-driven air conditioning system, the PV panel can directly send the power to the air conditioning system. So, Gree photovoltaic direct-driven air conditioning system is more efficient, energy-saving, and environmentally friendly. When it comes to Gree PV direct-driven air conditioning system, I'd like to introduce its 5 working modes as well as 5 core technologies. Firstly, please allow me to introduce its 5 working modes, which include the air conditioning mode, the photovoltaic power generation mode, the photovoltaic air conditioning mode, the photovoltaic air conditioning and the power generation mode, and the photovoltaic air conditioning and the power consumption mode. Gree photovoltaic direct driving air conditioning system can automatically change the mode according to the generation of PV power. It is calculated that the switch interval is about 10 milliseconds. In the air conditioning mode, when the photovoltaic power generation system doesn't work, the system will be powered by the electricity supplied by the grid. In this case, the system equals to an inverter VRF unit. In the mode 2, the photovoltaic power generation mode, when the air conditioner stops operating, the power generated by the photovoltaic power generation system will be sent to a grid. In this case, the system equals to a power station. In the mode 3, the photovoltaic air conditioning mode, when the photovoltaic generated power is equal to the air conditioner's generation, the photovoltaic power will be only supplied to the unit and without being supplied to the power grid. In the mode 4, in the photovoltaic air conditioning and the power generation mode, when the PV area generates more power than the air conditioner's energy consumption demand, the photovoltaic power will be given priority to the air conditioner and then send the residual power to the power grid. In photovoltaic air conditioning and the power consumption mode, when the PV area generates less power than the air conditioner's energy consumption demand, the air conditioner will automatically get power from both the grid and the photovoltaic power generation system. When it comes to the 5 core technologies, I'd like to introduce the photovoltaic direct driving technology, the ternary converting technology, the dynamic load tracking MPPT technology, the PAWM interleaving technology, and information energy management system technology. With these 5 core technologies, the PV direct driving air conditioning system can work in a much more efficient, reliable, comfortable, and intelligent way. The PV direct driving technology, which can avoid more than 8% energy loss. The ternary converting technology can make sure the 5 working modes can switch rapidly and steadily. The dynamic load tracking MPPT technology can guarantee the maximum power output of the PV panel. The PAWM interleaving technology can improve the current quality and minimize the electrical interference to the other appliances. The information energy management system technology can create a clean, safe, reliable, efficient, and comfortable energy information ecosystem. Now we come to the chapter 2, the GAMS. The GAMS is short for Gree Internet Energy Management System. It serves to integrate a clean power generation, safe power storage, reliable power conversion, efficient power usage together, aiming to create a clean, safe, reliable, efficient, and comfortable intelligent living and working environment. And it can be customized into different versions, such as the GAMS Home, the GAMS Building, the GAMS Factory, and the GAMS Community. About these versions can meet the various demands of different customers. Now we come to the final chapter, chapter 3, the project cases of PV products. It is calculated that Gree PV direct driven air conditioning system has spread over 22 countries, and it has witnessed and contributed to the completion of a large number of engineering projects. For example, the associate headquarters of its project, which is located in Hubei, Saudi Arabia, and it has installed the Gree PV centrifugal chillers and PV GME5 and 125 kilowatt solar panel. Another project called the Ashkelon Office Tower, which is located in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and it has installed the Gree PV GME5 and 45 kilowatt solar panels. In order to help you have a deeper understanding about the Gree PV products, I will lead you to visit the Gree PV house and see how the PV air conditioning system works. Now, please cut the live broadcast to my colleague, Iris. She will give you a lively presentation of the PV house.
Hello, Amaris. Welcome to our PV Future House. Now, please let me make a brief introduction of our multi-dimensional test system for AC and DC double loop network in our PV Future House community. Gree PV Future House community is currently one of the most advanced, secure, and intelligent communities. With an area of 500 square meters, it is made up of 30 containers. There is an off-grid mechanical garage of power storage and charging, a PV house, a showroom with IEMS system and home appliances, a container meeting room, and 7 container offices. And now, we already have 97 colleagues living and working here. This is an ecosystem integrating efficient power generation, safe power storage, reliable power transformation, efficient power consumption, real-time energy control, and energy information centralized management and interaction technology. The system builds an energy supply platform with DC distribution as the main circuit. It can realize AC and DC shared network and information shared network for multiple households, and providing experimental platform for research and analysis of energy consumption behaviors and economic operation of the community. Here we can also carry out research on the multidimensional system for AC and DC double loop network on the basis of power generation, storage, networking, and consumption. This is an ecosystem that aims to build a new network energy world with DC power as the major energy source and linkage of supply and demand, and thus building a clean, safe, reliable, intelligent, and efficient environment. Here is our National Key Laboratory on air conditioning equipment and energy saving system operation. It has set up a new energy department to conduct basic platform technology research on energy consumption and reform under the distributed supply of new energy. With the most extensive intellectuals in the industry, we are striving to make our voice heard in the full DC-based local energy internet system and build an ecosystem industry with international competitiveness. And now I'm in the container alpha of the PV house. Here we have 1 bedroom, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, and 1 bathroom. As you can see, there are air conditioners, refrigerator, and other appliances. They are all powered by photovoltaic DC power. Actually, the DC efficiency is 5 to 8% higher than the AC efficiency. Here is our low voltage area. This socket is 48 low voltage DC. Although there is electricity, the human body can touch it and will not get electric shock. They are absolutely safe. In summer, the south is prone to heavy rainstorms, and the streets will easily flood because of the rain. We often hear in the news that people get hurt by the electrical billboard of bus stop or a street lamp. So we made a new DC ecosystem with absolutely safe DC low voltage electrical appliances and a power distribution protection system. For public places such as bus stops, shopping malls, schools, stadiums, and so on, we can avoid the risk of electric shock and greatly improve the degree of electrical safety. The kitchen is still use high voltage DC, but we have made some installation designs for relevant sockets. Our design team is still working hard to advance the arc monitoring technology based on DC power. This is our GIEMS system. It uses a comfortable dark blue as the background color, and you can find the introduction and features of the system in different sections. And first of all, let's have a look at the home page of the system. It shows the real-time energy trend and accumulated value of power generation, power storage, power consumption, and network, as well as the accumulated operating time of the system, the accumulated revenue, the accumulated carbon dioxide emission reduction, and the accumulated standard cost saved. PV power generation, power storage and charging, and power feeding to the grid represent green energy supply, so we use green to indicate the energy trend. Power storage and discharging, power consumption, and power supply to appliances represent power consumption, so we use yellow to indicate the energy trend. And next, I'd like to show you the intelligent control page. On this page, you can control the intelligent devices. You can remotely control the intelligent devices. For example, you can remotely control the on and off of the whole air conditioners or just a single device. And you can also adjust the temperature, the mode, and the fan speed according to your preference. It is also preferable to remotely control the lighting, the on and off of the whole lights or just single device. And now I will turn off the whole lights. You will find it is not bright as before. And now I want to turn on the living room light. Okay, it's bright. All of this is our container alpha of PV house. So do you want to know what it is that supports the entire PV house? Follow me to the equipment room. This is our equipment room. All the DC power and control are realized by this aluminum cabinet. This cabinet is for household power storage, and this cabinet is for community public power storage. Here we use lithium titanate. The purpose of power storage cabinet is to ensure that user will have electricity when the PV power is not generated electricity on a rainy day. In addition, our GIEMS system is built up with emergency power protection strategy. When the power storage cabinet doesn't have sufficient electricity or is not able to generate electricity, the system will cut the electricity for comfortable, such as air conditioner, in order to ensure the electricity for basic necessities, such as lighting. All the energy in the community is provided by the rooftop PV cells and the PV wall. The PV wall is a kind of a PV assembly which is independently developed by our company, and we named it N-type monocrystalline dual-glass PV module. The power that is not used will be stored in the household power storage cabinet and community's public storage cabinets, or sent to the grid through grid-connected energy router of the community. Our mission is to contribute to a new DC ecosystem and a DC-based network energy world. Let's work together to make a safe, clean, reliable, intelligent, and comfortable living environment and a better new life. The bulb is all about our PV house. Let's turn the camera on our host, Jax. Thank you.
Thank you, Iris. What a wonderful presentation, and thank you for spending your time with us. After completing the introduction of Gree PV House, I'd like to introduce you some honors that Gree has won in the photovoltaic field. Our products have been recognized by global authorities and received several major awards, such as the UK REC Cooling Industry International Achievement of the Year, the UL certificate, and the Spain International Quality Innovation Award. Now we come to the end of the live stream for the PV air conditioner. If you have any question, please contact our online customer service center at any time. Gree is committed to providing with you clean, safe, reliable, comfortable, and efficient air conditioners. I believe that as more and more countries attach greater importance to the utilization of solar energy and the environmental protection, PV air conditioners will enjoy great popularity around the world. That's all. Thanks again for watching this live stream. Made in China, loved by the world.